బోయిన్పల్లిలో 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలు ప్రశాంత వాతావరణంలో జరిగాయి. సీఎంఆర్ పాఠశాలలో విద్యార్థులకు మంత్రి మల్లారెడ్డి కోడలు ప్రీతి చేతుల మీదుగా విద్యార్థులకు మాస్కులు పంపిణీ చేశారు. విద్యార్థులకు కరోనా పట్ల అవగాహన కల్పించారు. కరోనా విషయంలో తగు జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకొని విద్యార్థులు పరీక్షలు బాగా రాయాలని ప్రీతి కోరారు.
First of all, best of luck and may you have a bright future, right? Now I have come here because he is called me as a doctor here. I'm Dr. Preeti Reddy in Mallareddy Hospital at Pisananu. I'm also running Mallareddy Narayana Hospitals. Okay, and let me tell you that this coronavirus which we are seeing in India today, okay, it is actually in our country. It will be very subtle because it's in a hot and a tropical climate, right? We are not like any other country like China or Italy where the climate conditions are different. Cold and okay, that's very different. Second thing is, in us we have a lot of immunity in us, right? And let me tell you about coronavirus especially. It's a very heavy virus. It's about from 400 to 500 microns. It doesn't go from, it's not airborne. If suppose I'm having sneeze or cough, if I sneeze or cough, it doesn't float in the air. Suppose she's a girl, she's not wearing a mask, for example, but I'm having sneezing, I should wear a mask. The person who is having symptoms should wear a mask. Okay, so remember that, but let us be careful because you're all sitting together. You never know who is coughing, who is sneezing. So today is a right day to wear a mask. But remember, who is having symptoms should wear a mask because the moment he sneezes out, the droplets come and they fall on the surface. But other surface evaraina chai muttunte emaipotadi, they will acquire the illness. But it's not airborne. It's not been breathed by someone else. Okay, so it's not a airborne. It's a contact spread disease. Right? So that's why it's contagious. Second thing, you have to consider that you have to, that if it is contact spreading disease, so you have to wash your hands, sanitize it properly, right? That's a very important thing. Drink warm water and eat healthy food, eat house homemade food. That's another very important thing. Okay, and keep yourself fit and fine, right? You have to eat well and also exercise. If even you are young, if you start exercising from now, then you will have no diseases in your future life ever. Okay, and most importantly, vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts our immunity. An immunity boost అయితే ఇట్లా ఏ వైరస్ వచ్చినా మనం వాళ్ళకి మంచిగా we can face the virus and we can come out of the illness. Okay, so best of luck and be, I mean, if you like to be a doctor, be a doctor. Right? Thank you. అది టచ్ చేయదు, సెంటర్లో టచ్ చేయదు. ఆలోచించారు.